goat. Okay, ready. Cleaning out your closet in the spring is not something that we all really want to do, but once you've done it, you feel so good. In fact, it can actually be life-changing. Do you know how many times I've cleaned out a client's closet and then something monumental has happened in their life? They've been trying to get pregnant, they got pregnant, they wanted to find a love, they found a love, whatever. I'm not saying these things are gonna happen to you. Maybe they will. I'm gonna tell you in this video what to retire and what to adopt out of your closet clean out this spring. Okay, number one in what to retire, skinny, tight pants. I know that you're all agreeing with me right now because you know what? 2020, well, it was a little rough. I'm not gonna focus on that, but I'm just gonna say that it was. So we've been stuffed into skinny, tight pants for a really long time. And now I think what we're gonna do is we're not gonna get rid of them because we know they always come back. And I do love a skinny pant. I love a skinny cigarette pant. I do love my skinny jeans still. Let's take them, we're gonna fold them nicely, and then we're gonna put them on the top shelf of our closet, and we're going to leave them there until we're ready to commit to them again. We are going to adopt wide leg trousers, pants, jeans, ribbed sweatpants, everything flowy and loose. That is the style for this spring. So whatever it is your style, so I know you're thinking, well, I probably can't wear those. So let me tell you about your body type. Rectangles, flowy is so good for you. It makes you look like you've got some shape. Someone that is a inverted triangle, flowy is the best for you because you're already heavier up top. So this is gonna give you some added weight down below. Apples, you guys can do this too. So cute. Find a really cute pair that fit you on the best part of your body. If you need to add a little volume up top, get a little puff sleeve. That will really work for you. Hourglass, you guys can wear anything. The only person who may have a little trouble with the wide leg pants might be the pears or someone that carries a little bit of weight on the bottom. But again, you guys can do this too. There is a pair out there for everyone. Get some silky, flowy, light ones. Maybe it's some joggers, something that works for your body type. Order a whole bunch online and then send back everything that doesn't work for you. The next thing I want you to retire from your closet, and again, we're talking about retiring, not throwing it away, not donating. You're gonna be shocked for those of you who follow me, neutrals. And the reason I say neutrals is because you know what? We've done it, we've been there. Listen, no one loves neutrals more than me. I am like the leather jacket, the white t-shirt, the blue jeans, like that is my style. But you know what, it's been, like I said, we've done it for a long time. It is such a classy look. They never go out of style. But what I'm saying is maybe put them to the back of the closet. Go find all your bright colors. Yellow is the Pantone color of the season. How many of you guys have ever seen me wear yellow? I wanna know, how many videos out of all of my videos have I worn yellow? Comment down below. I will write back to you, and whoever is correct will get a great, fantastic prize. Anyway, yellow is a great color. I actually really do love it. One of my favorite bathing suits from when I was a teen was yellow. Pink, bubblegum pink, huge color for the season. If bright colors are not something that you love for spring, then go for the pastels. So pastels are also trending and a really nice way to add color into your wardrobe. Again, I'm just saying retire the neutrals, but maybe bring something out that you've had stuffed in your closet for a long time. Let's have fun 2021. We're here for it. Bring out all the colors. Who's ready for number three? Number three, retire your really ultra high-waisted pants. Okay, so I have a lot of high-waisted pants. I got really into it. I still love them. I'm super short-waisted and I managed to pull them off. I'm a stylist, I know what I'm doing, a little easier, but I really enjoyed them. I am also going to enjoy moving them to the back of my closet, and I am bringing out more of like really good quality jeans. Some of my favorites, I actually bought a pair of R13s that are low-waisted, very European. I love them, they're super comfortable. I'm like, ooh, my stomach isn't all like tight. Great, so high quality jeans. Here's another tip. Buy them this season a size up. So make them a little more voluminous because that's the style this year. You can roll them at the bottom, you can cinch them in with the belt, the paper bag waist is still in. Again, I'm sure you're getting the trend. It is loose and baggy, more comfortable, more classy. Show me what you got. Tag me in your photos, Kimxo. I'm gonna take a look at all of your fantastic wide leg baggy jeans. The next thing that I'm gonna suggest retiring, and again, we're talking for a short period of time until you feel like bringing it out when you're cleaning out your closet. And I have videos on that. You can check those out. I will leave a link down below on cleaning out your closet, how to do that. But when you're cleaning out your closet, anything really skin tight cardigans, skin tight blazers, skin tight jeans. You get where the theme of this video is going, right? Anything that's really uncomfortable that you've done and you bought it over the seasons because you loved it. You know what? Put it to the back right now. You can get back to wearing your skin tight pieces. I'm all here for it. But right now we're gonna buy oversized blazers in bright colors. We're gonna scrunch up the sleeves. We're gonna look relaxed and fun. If you want to be careful with what you're buying, maybe buy a blazer in like a neutral color. I know I just said neutrals are out, but I'm just saying if you're gonna spend a little more money, you maybe don't wanna buy the hot pink one. So go for something like white or tan if you're gonna invest in it. If it's gonna just be a fashion piece, heck, go to like your friend's closet, go dig in anywhere, like any of the secondhand stores online. They're fantastic. They have great pieces. We're gonna retire all the skin tight pieces and we are going to bring out all of the relaxed, loose fitting, big shirts, oversized Oxford shirts are in, oversized blazers, flowy pants. Let's do it. The next thing I'm going to suggest that you retire when you are cleaning out your closet this spring is your baseball hat. I mean, I love mine, this is one of my favorites, but I'm just saying, you know how you like gonna go to the grocery store and you throw on your baseball hat? Let's just remove them for a second. And why don't we replace our baseball hats and our toques that we've kind of been slumming around in for 2020 and throw on a headband. That's right, they're back. They're one of the biggest trends, a little nod to Gossip Girl in the 1990s. The headbands were so trendy. Can we remember, like, I even believe Hillary Clinton was into them back in the 90s. Everyone else, I can't believe I referenced a politician in a fashion video. What happened? Everyone else who was wearing kind of the padded headband, the ones with the knot in the center, uber trendy. I love them. I actually got connected with pink suede headbands. You should look them up. I'll leave a link down below. Really economical, really affordable, really cute headbands. Instead of reaching for your baseball cap this spring, I'm suggesting reach for a headband. Chuck that on. It looks like you're instantly dressed. Throw on your wide leg linen pants and a t-shirt and head off to the grocery store or walk your dog and you are gonna look $1 million bucks. You're also gonna look like you walked straight out of Gossip Girl. The very last thing that we need to talk about is retiring anything that is pilled, stained, has holes in it when you are cleaning out your closet. I have been in many a closet and let me tell you, I have heard all of the things in the world. I keep that sweatshirt for bonfires. When do you go to a bonfire? Well, the last time I went was 10 years ago. Oh, so can't we wear any sweater for the bonfire? A purse from a grad when they were 18. It was such a cute purse, but like, we don't need it. If you pull it out of your closet and it has a stain, it's ripped or anything, if you would like to repair it, put it in a pile to be repaired. I personally have done this. Or maybe it's like a dress and you're like, I don't ever wear that because it's way too long. Take it to the tailor, but go through everything. And if it is a disaster, let's get rid of it. You don't need it in your closet. Let's make this year the best one ever. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I love being with you. I really appreciate all of your comments and your messages. I get comments all the time on the comments about how people love to read them. So you guys are amazing. You've created an awesome little community and I love you guys. So remember, if you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up, then I know what type of video you like, and the subscribe button with the bell. I love you guys and I will see you on the next video.